Hello everyone, let's make another crop and another pencil stand, which is three, what is that? 3 pencil stand together. Ayan, I am using again a recycled product, a recycle things like this one, Pringles empty box. It a plastic can. Be with me guys, let's do it. Now I finished cutting my 3 cutted cup. Then this is the last one, empty can of something. Oh, that is peanut butter empty can. And now I just cut it here because I don't need the upper part of the bottle. It's quite hard to cut, so I'm using the scissor to finish it cutting. Ayan. Here, already done cutting. Now let's start our rope. The first video that I uploaded is only single stand. Now I make three stand together using glue and the glue gun. I stick the rope into the gun. now I almost done the last, what is this, the last one, the third stand is the last one. I use two color of rope here. The white rope is not actually is a cotton rope, but the brown one is a fiber. I don't know, not fabric, fiber or something. Yan is all done now, the tree. So now I need to wrap this white plastic. I started it here between with white color rope. I almost done the plate, which is I want to attach this together so that our stand will stand it here, so that will get intact. Till the next video. Thanks for watching. Love you all.